hoist cover. This is a 2019 or 2016. What am I saying? 2016 YZ250. And as you can see, the gap here when you put a flywheel weight on. My solution was taking a piece of aluminum, cut it all out. It ain't pretty. And it took care of my problem, my issue. Hence I went out and bought a 3D printer, printed this. Put it on here, put the hoist cover back on, and ran it. I only had it on a few hours because I came up with another idea. Now I just went and printed my own cover. Gasket. Slide the gasket back under, or cover under the shifter. Just showing that all the bolts line up, go in. There it is. Got your clearance. If you take this hoist in plus the spacer I did before, put it on there, it might be 5 millimeters, you know, wider right here. You can see it's about 5 millimeters, but this ain't my final cover. I have one printing now in some carbon fiber. I just put this on. I want around the edges here. I want to go back in and modify my STL file around the edges because these are just square. This is trial and error here. I printed it out to see how it was going to fit. I'm going to ride it with it on, see if there's any issues. Shouldn't be any. And plenty of clearance at the shifter. I can get my finger back in there. But yeah, the carbon fiber one, because this is all thick, bulky. I printed it thick and bulky just for the fact, that's why it's a little wider than the Boyson, because you're dealing with metal here, you're dealing with a plastic here. So this is PLA. I'm going to do PLA carbon fiber. I have it on the printer right now printing. This is the carbon fiber one printing now. When that's done, then I'm going to go to PETG. I'm going to print one, then print it one in carbon fiber PETG, and then compare them all together. But there's really not to compare until you hit something or damage it. Who knows, maybe once they're all printed together, I'll take a hammer to them, see how bad they shatter on impact, or if they shatter, or how well it goes. But it's built pretty bulky, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm going to leave this on and give it a run and see what happens.